Fix up little Jeepy. If you look in there, look in there, you can see there's a bit of a hole. We want to go to the Mudfest tomorrow, so we don't want to break that and have our day shortened, so we're going to reinforce that a little bit.
Yeah. I have a little patch.
Got a piece of steel there.
Yep.
That
Not
should do her
too
good.
fancy.
Let's see if there's enough metal to weld anything to.
Yeah. I meant to grab.
Nothing worse than a Jeep frame that's never had any oil spray on it. Yeah. Andrew's down here taking fender flares off, so we can put them on the new Jeep. Because those ones are much better than the ones that were on the new Jeep.
Wider.
And they're wider, which is more important because the tires are sticking out the side.
You can hear the further I go down, the rustier it gets.
Yeah.
Okay, so welded on this crap. Not the nicest welds I've ever done. Not the worst. So I don't care. She's good. Kind of burnt through there. Whatever. Pretty good for dirty old Jeep.
There's they're putting on the tires we got on the Jeep I bought for my wife. But they're a little too rough for her. She wouldn't like those at all. But they should work just fine at Mudfest. If they'll clear the front fenders, that's all we're really worried
Nicely, about. Dad wanted to save them, so we put them to good use.
That's right. So there's our little welder and our new plasma cutter we just got. Works pretty good.
Drove around a two-wheel drive at the last event. Yeah. So it went good. We took it easy. We didn't go through crazy stuff, but.
Well, the Jeep's not in good enough condition to go crazy anywhere.
No. Well, no, we didn't have good tires. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that too.
We're still not gonna go crazy. We're not gonna like jump into any mud holes.
Before we put that on, I'm gonna grab a piece.
There they are. They're putting in a center back seat that we took out of a Chevy.
It's actually a center front seat.
Center front seat. Okay. Yeah.
From a 2001 GMC 2500.
Ah.
It's got a seat belt self-contained on it, so we figured it'll work good for putting it back here, because then we don't have to worry about the actual seat belts working with it.
Yeah.
Same with any Chevy seat, they tend to have a self-contained seat belt, so it works out pretty good.
Yeah, if you're gonna put them in something else.
Yeah, if you're gonna put it in a truck bed or in the back of a Jeep like this, just welding them on.
Yeah, just gotta make sure you got a good solid mount.
Yeah. It's actually pretty sturdy as it.
Should be good enough for us to sit on.
Yeah.
We're not going to be jumping it. So.
No. Certainly not.
Oh, that guy.
They're taking all the stuff off so that we can put it in Mom's new Jeep, the good stuff.
Yep.
And
take every nice part off.
Because this thing's going to turn into a nice little sort of mud off-road truck.
Yeah, trail
truck, but you know, a little bit of everything truck.
Spare belt, one tire for tomorrow. And the AC works out pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad.
And there's more room because the other seat was like up like here.
Yeah.
So it was okay when your legs are on the back.
See, there's the new Jeep right there. Here they come. Here they come. All ready for Mudfest. Dina, loving this. Back this up there. Sounds like it. That does not sound that good. Gina loves trucks, I tell you. She would sit there going up the side of a mountain and wouldn't even budge an inch. That's funny. Look over there, everybody's left. There's Dina sitting in the Jeep. And she loves to sit in the car, a Jeep, especially if she'd love it if it was a diesel truck. But she'll sit there and guard that thing forever and never leave it.
I forgot she was in there.
She's just sitting there. She won't leave the vehicle, but don't you ever try to get in it. Very funny.